Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page on Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account. You will find a Create button, usually on the top left. Click this and then select the landing page option to start building. You'll need to give your new landing page a name for your own reference, which won't be visible to visitors. Finally, select the audience you want to associate with this page, especially if it includes a sign-up form. Once you've named your page, it's time to design. Mailchimp offers many professionally designed templates to get you started. Select one that best fits your goal. Then, use the intuitive drag-and-drop builder to customize every element. You can easily add images, headlines, text blocks, and more. Remember to align your design with your brand's colors, fonts, and overall visual identity for a cohesive look and feel. Now let's focus on your content. Your headline is crucial. Make it clear and highlight the benefits for your visitors. Keep your body copy concise and informative, using bullet points for readability. Integrate high-quality images or videos to make your page more engaging. Most importantly, include a prominent call-to-action button. This button should clearly tell visitors what action to take, like sign up now or download your guide. Before going live, always preview your landing page to check its appearance and functionality across different devices. Once satisfied, click Publish. You can customize your page's URL, making it easy to share. After publishing, Mailchimp provides built-in analytics and reports to track your page's performance. You can see metrics like views, clicks, and signups, helping you understand its effectiveness and optimize for even better results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.